How to get YouTube recap. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch a Google Play Store application on your device and search for YouTube just to make sure you have an updated version of the YouTube application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So tap on open. As you tap on open, this will land you to your main page. Now tap on your profile icon or the UI icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see there's no option of recap. So let's just go to the browser over here. You can go for any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome, and here simply tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com/recap, and let's just search for it. And when you search for it, make sure you are logged into your account on your YouTube application on the browser as well. So if it does not show you the recap even in the browser, what you should do is you should wait for like 2 to 4 days or even 7 days, because this feature is still in beta testing and this may not be available for all the users right now. So just keep your YouTube application updated and keep refreshing your page and you'll surely see it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.